Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here. I'm headed back into the Dollar Tree. I just can't stay away. So you know that means I'm going to invite you guys to come with me. Let's go shopping. So we'll start right up here in front with the Mermaid style sequin pillows that some are just not created as nicely as others. I'll have to say there are a few of them that just did not want to switch between the two colors, and then others were very easy to run your hand and switch them. They've got all kinds of colors. I also noticed they're not created equally. So some of these are very flat and others are a lot more full. So you're going to want to check that out before you buy them. They have them at the front of my store. I've actually been to 2 Dollar Trees today, and they were in the front of both stores. Now this one is nice and cushy, and it switches over nicely. I really like the pink one. The back is a little more coral though. Now let's take a few more minutes to see what new has come in from the fall decor I showed last Dollar Tree Shop with Me. They've gotten in this little sign with the galvanized leaf, thankful and blessed. Probably the biggest sign I've seen them put out yet. And this sign. Now I know I'm not the first to show it to you guys. I was very interested to see it in person. Now this little part is not metal. It's cardboard, it's printed, it's sort of raised up. It looks pretty decent. They have it in a pumpkin version also, but I passed on that one. Now I've shared with you guys they did get in the eyeball ornaments for Halloween trees. I also found a few new items in the Halloween section, those little spiders and these pics of jack-o'-lantern faces. They are glitter, and little sets of 4 mini pumpkins. This is the purple with gold. And they also have this one that is orange, but it's definitely kind of a coppery looking color, orange with black polka dots. I would love if these were just regular orange pumpkins with polka dots. Now, a lot of the things we saw last fall for Thanksgiving have returned. Looks like they're bringing back the trays and the pumpkin plates. They're also putting back out the felt banner hanging pieces, some centerpieces that fan out, and some fun printed napkins in different little sayings: eat, drink, and be thankful. Those definitely look like they didn't come from the Dollar Tree. They come in sets of 24. It'll be interesting to see if we see the plates next. Now the salt and pepper shakers are back. They come in the pumpkin, the cute little squirrels, and the owls. They put out some more foam scatter, 20 pieces. Really pretty traditional glitter colors for fall. They also just put out these give thanks signs covered in bright red glitter. They're not on the burgundy side at all, definitely more of an orangey red. And for those of you that love the traditional colors, I'm seeing lots of those things here today, including the garden stakes. Now, I was only able to find one of these in my last store, so they did bring back the other version this year again as well. And these signs are almost perfection. Now, I don't love glitter, so if that pumpkin kisses had just been in a regular print or color, it would be perfect, but it's super pretty and I had to pick one up. They also have this one in the Gather Together with the little wreath. Now, this text is brown glitter, but being that it's so small, it almost doesn't look glitter. It just looks printed. And that one is definitely my favorite. This store also has another one of these signs in Thankful, Grateful, and Truly Blessed, with the look of a plank style wood, and the pumpkin one. So this is the one I've been looking for, just wanted to see it in person. Now I did find some more new things in the Halloween area, these little bats, and a few new little stickers. These little witch hats and boots were not here last time I brought you guys to look at the Halloween items. Those were kind of hidden. Here's more of the pumpkins. These are so pretty and kind of old looking. I just don't know if I can do glitter, you guys. Now down here on the bottom, I spotted a set of 2 skeleton shot glasses. These are kind of fun, and I don't remember seeing these last year. So keep your eye out if you're looking for something like that. Now my store has a lot of novelty items right now. This Flamingo tape dispenser is one of them. Cute little things to pick up and maybe throw in a little box for Christmas time and stocking stuffers. They also have some really fun flavored lip balms. They also have a lot of cute stationery right now. And again, these are great to pick up for maybe teachers' gifts that you're gonna put together over the holidays. Some really cute versions, including this one that I can't help but notice has a very farmhouse feel to it, even though they're just little notepads with the gather and the wood grain. Lots of cute things you could grab now, set aside, and make into a little gift later on when you need one. Happiness is homemade. These longer ones have the magnet on the back. And then this is a little set with a pen and a little notepad. They also have the string lights in pineapples, unicorns, and flamingos. It looks like this store only has unicorns left. And they also have these novelty unicorn pens. And look at these keychains. How adorable are they? Little tennis shoes covered in sparkles. They have it in silver and pink, and towards the back they also had some teal as well as gold. Now I did pick up a few of the gold, I just couldn't resist. I also found some bejeweled hand sanitizer. These would be fun for back to school on a backpack. They have a few different scents in cupcake, sweet pea, candy apple, and marshmallow. Also up at the front, I found some new silicone cosmetic bags. They have plastic zippers. I found them in a few different colors, mainly pink, purple, and teal. And now onto the decor area. I spotted these new white frames. They were only in the 4x6, but those are a cute little find for just $1. And then I spotted some framed decor that I wanted to share. This little pig, barbecue emporium, that background is sort of a tealy blue. I thought this with the scale was beautiful, lots of green in it. And then underneath the pig one, I found a couple in fall colors. So this one is Home Sweet Home, and it's got kind of an orangey red and yellow and brown. And then this one with the wheelbarrow, Welcome Friends. It's even got pumpkins in it. And then this one with the green dresser. It's so hard to show with the glare on from the plastic, but it's a really pretty green dresser with a basket on it. Also on my decor aisle, I spotted this cute little coffee mug with a kickstand. Just a cute little piece to add to your decor. Coffee because anger management is too expensive. They had a lot of the canvas pieces of the horses and barns, farms. Some really pretty ones in floral. Bless this home. These are great to pick up and either use as is or repurpose and do something on top of. Here's a couple more. I like the hydrangeas with the striped bucket. Let your faith be bigger than your fear. Looks like that's all of them. They also had a few fun wall decals I wanted to share with you guys. I have seen these before and I don't know if I've shared them, but I'm sure you guys have seen. They have succulent wall decals, beautiful green. You guys know I'm really into that right now. I also found this really cute version for a girl or a office, even a beauty area. And then they also have this one, which says good vibes and has the palm trees. Those are new at my store. Now headed down another aisle, I found an end cap and it was full of the Rubbermaid mini spaces totes. These are a lot smaller in person than I envisioned from seeing other people share them. They are super small. Of course, they're miniature versions of the large ones, the totes that you can keep all kinds of stuff in. Now these could be very helpful in organizing maybe under your sink or in your bathroom. These are miniature shoe boxes, so not as big as a shoe box you probably have that's plastic. These are the miniature versions, but they could definitely help you organize and color code things. Now this is a bath soak by Spa Naturals. I've picked it up at my 99 cents only store and it smells amazing if you like the smell of rose. I haven't seen this body wash before in Tropical Coconut. Did not like the smell of that. Didn't smell like coconut to me. And they brought back some of the mason jar bathroom accessories, the hand soap pump, the little soap dish, as well as sort of the toothbrush holder. And that comes in white and blue and green. And the middle is a mustard yellow. Now my store had quite a few of the Smart Girls nails. These come with so many nails. I believe it's 48 in a pack, and the glue as well as the stickers. They have this chain version. They have it in French manicure, in the one with no bows and the one with the black bows. And they also had it here in leopard print. Lots of leopard print. And eyelashes. I found this whole display of LA Colors eyelashes and some makeup items. They have the eyelash glue in clear and black, and all kinds of different versions of the LA Colors Drama Lash. So all of them have a name that starts with D, like Dainty, Diva, Darling, Demi, and I think I counted a total of 8 versions. Right below that, they have these duo 2-packs of LA Colors eyeshadow. They all seemed to be pretty shimmery. It also did a 2-pack of eyeliners in a few different colors. The lip balms are back in the 2-pack. The lip glosses in the 2-pack. Now they also had the 2-pack of lip pencils. So you got 2 different shades in those, and the 2-pack of nail polish. And now I want to show you guys a few things I spotted in the kitchen area. This silicone sink strainer. I picked up the black one to see how this works. I also had these wine stoppers. I wondered if these would work in glass bottles for things like dish soap and hand soap. Haven't seen those here before. And they have a ton of tongs in all kinds of colors. Now also in the kitchen area, they had these new glasses I spotted. They look like they're almost polka dot. They've got them in the large and in the small size. I also spotted these new food storage containers by Sure Fresh. They come in red, purple, and blue. Got this little design on the front of them, and they have the lids, but they're next to them in my store, so make sure if you pick one up, you grab the coordinating lid for it. I also spotted these in packs of 2 with the little vented lid. I'm gearing up for lots of lunch packing with back to school around the corner. And my store had a few new finds on the stationery aisle. They had the Adhesive Spray. Now this is a 1.8 ounce bottle. I didn't need it, so I didn't pick it up, but wanted to share it with you guys. And I can't believe this store still has these. I shared these with you guys in a picture at the beginning of summer. They're little pencil storage bins. The top has a shallow part for smaller things like paper clips and things like that. And I also spotted some of the stamps on an end cap on my stationery aisle. They have these with the cactus that are so cute. Now I'm not a stamper, but I thought those were adorable. And speaking of adorable, my store had a lot of baby items they normally don't, like gloves and mittens, quite a few super cute prints. Now our store doesn't get a lot in the baby department, and for some reason they had quite a bit in. So I don't know if you guys get to see this stuff in your store, or is your baby section more like mine, where it's pretty much just baby lotion and wipes. The pizza and unicorn are just so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I found in my Dollar Tree this week. Thank you so much for watching, and you know I'll see you back very soon in the next video.